Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a post in the CoinMarket application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it and now you should just click once again on your profile. And here, if you want to make a post, you can just look at the bottom of your right corner and you can just press on that paper symbol, and here you can just make a post. Like, I don't know what to write here right now, I'm just going to write in a number and press on post in the top of your right corner. And you had just made a post. Basically you can see it right there, and if you want it you can also share it basically. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.